Hey, what's up mga kokote? It's me again, Kuya J, and welcome sa Kuwaderknows, where learning is the name of our game. At kung bago ka pa lamang sa aming YouTube channel, pindutin mo lang subscribe, like, and share buttons para paging updated ka sa aming videos. For our previous lecture video, na-start natin yung about sa Diluvial myth ng ating Philippines. Ayan. So, for this lecture video, we will know the story and we will read it. And if kaya natin explain thoroughly, or if madali naman siya intindihin, tatagalogin natin. If hindi kaya ni Kuya Je, so you may read it based on your understanding and face. Okay. So for this day, we will be discussing about the diluvial myths of the Philippines from the Bagobo. Ayan, mga taga-Bagobo. Mga Bagobo. Okay. So Manama was displeased at the people failing their sacrifices and cause of blood, sparing none but 3 pairs of people whom he later visited in a dream, telling them to work on the soil in the morning, work on the house in the afternoon, and give each other comfort and pleasure or rest in the evening. So, ito yung um, okay, so si Manama, yun yung parang nag-cause ng flood. So, kaya diluvial siya, more on kasi flood yung sinasent ng mga ating mga Philippine gods. Yan, or yung mga deities or divinities natin, puro flood yung sinasend nila. Unlike kinakaptan, laging thunder yung binibigay or whatever. Kagaya nung kay sino ba yun? Yung Kanlaon kay Kanlaon, 'di ba? Nag-send siya ng malaking pagsabog ng volcano kaya nagkaroon tayo ng Mount Kanlaon. Yun yung punishment niya. So dito sa ating mga binabasa ngayon, puro tayo flood. Ayan. Due to the disobedience of the people. So from the first pair who was idle and refused came the slaves. From the second who wanted the afternoon for rest came the serfs. And from the third who obliged came the nobles. Ayan. So next, we proceed to the diluvial myths of the Philippines coming from our Tivoli. Ayan. So next, 4 persons who forgot to bring their book in their hurry and by hiding inside the bamboo they later split out and were saved from the flood waters released by Mount Bulon. So this time naman si Mount Bulon yung nag-send ng flood. Kanina si Manama, ngayon naman si Bulon. So later, they invented the musical instrument Islodoy, Hagalong, and Kumbing, imitating the sounds of the souls who died at that mountain. So yun, parang yung sounds daw na nilalabas ng musical instrument na Islodoy, Hagalong, at Kumbing, ay yun yung mga sounds ng mga kaluluwa na namatay dun sa mountain or sa bundok na iyon. So, Lalomi married La Bebe and Tamfeles married La Kagef. Ayan, so si Lalomi tsaka si La Bebe yung magka-partner. Next si Tamfeles tsaka si La Kagef naman yung pares. Ayan, so begetting 10 sons and 10 daughters who either remained single. Adam became a judge, intermarried and became ancestors. Eva and Dodom, Tao, sige, Eva and Dodom, ayan. We have Taul Segul and of Kiamba, Sudot Henok, and um, wait lang. Here, if I have mispronounced names here, comment it down below. Ayan. Sudot Henok and Nayong Tao. Nayong. We have Tao Monggol Sanala, and then Labila and Moong Bilaans of Tupi, Bow and Umen, the Tao Cebu of Lake, Cebu and Sinulon, Dugo and Siwen of or to Manobos, Kamanay and Sodi to Muslims, Honon Song and Oben sa mga Obons, or had no children. Ito yung mga walang anak ha, si Adson Ngadom Sewe Nay. Ayan. So dito sa 10 sons and daughters ay meron ding nag-asawa tapos or walang asawa. Ganun yung nila, yung intermarried cycle nila. So next, we have the Diluvial myths of the Philippines from Mansaka. Ayan. So the sole survivor of a deluge was a pregnant woman living in Mount Candaraga, who later married her son and begot three sibling pairs. One went to the sea, another to Maragusan, and the third to a place not known. So the flood was caused by a clogging of driftwood on a passage to the sea in the bird Manao's absence, and attempting to unclog it, he broke his leg but was later saved by Mother Manaul, who unclogged it herself. Next, we proceed to the diluvial myths of the Philippines from the Bisayan. So despite the warnings of their chief priest Banwa, the children of Sikalak neglected their sacrifices, causing the gods of Kahilyawan in Kaptan's absence to hold a council against them presided by the Lord of Plains and Valleys, Maklium sa Tiwan, whereupon it was suggested by Lord of Rivers, Kasaray-Sarayan sa Silagan, to flood the earth after the Lord of Sea Maklium sa Tubig objected to the Lord of Fire Maklium sa Baghdad's suggestion of world fire on grounds of it killing the fishes. Listening behind the sawali that separated the chamber for ladies in waiting or the darapulan from the council room, the guardian of Happy Homes Suklang Malayon instructed the chief of Murpuro, Datu Ubari, to go a highest mountain, build a raft and tie himself there with his wife. So meanwhile, Maklium sa Silgan closed the river mouths as Maklium sa Tubig opened the sea gates and Magdandaru noon, mistress of hidden lakes and Sargan sa Bagtiw, god of storms helped. When the flood subsided, the survivor couple burned their raft in sacrifice to the Kahilyawan god. So that's all of our lecture video. Today is January 31 and have a good day, stay safe. This will be our last discussion and mapuputol itong ating discussion about the Visayan mythology because tomorrow, February 1, will be Ate Mariel's turn. And then on March, it will be Kuya Kyle's turn for his first video sa kanyang English series. And then by April will be the turn of Kuya Kevin para sa ating Science Junior High School. And then April sunod nun, May ata, I think si Kuya Kyle ulit, mag-English ulit. Then June si Ate Mariel, and then July si Kuya Kevin, August is Kyle, August is Ate Mariel, September si Kyle, bago October is Kuya Kevin, and November to December will be Kyle again. And so maybe January nyo na ulit ako mapapakinggan. So thank you for listening. Have a great day. Stay safe and God bless you all. Learning is the name of our game. Bye!